In this lesson, we will see together direct object pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun les. So what are direct object pronouns? I really invite you to have a look at my video covering this topic because it's extremely precise and detailed. But to make it short, direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. And the nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. So that's the reason why we call them direct. It's because it's without any preposition between the verb and the noun. So in this lesson, we will see examples with les, and the direct object pronoun les is translated to them in English. So remember that les will be for masculin ou féminin, but it will be definitely pluriel. So let's see 4 examples. Je les vois à la plage. Je les vois à la plage. Tu les achètes pour la fête. Tu les achètes pour la fête. Elle les aime beaucoup. Elle les aime beaucoup. Nous les écoutons tous les jours. Nous les écoutons tous les jours.